If you forget the password of your Wi-Fi modem or router, and you don't know the password, and you don't have any laptop or computer, and you want to know that what is the password without resetting the modem or router, you no need to reset or make again to complete settings. So in this video I will show you how you can get your password easily, and you can connect without the password with your Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, I have a laptop here, sorry, mobile phone, and I want to connect the Wi-Fi of this modem. So I will go to Wi-Fi. Now in the Wi-Fi you will see this is my Wi-Fi name 111, and I want to connect with this Wi-Fi. If I click on that, as you can see, it is asking the password. Now how to connect without password? Now in the Wi-Fi settings you need to go, you can scroll down or you can get on the top more settings. If you click on that, now you will see here WPS connection. Click on that and you will see here, and now go to your Wi-Fi router or modem, and you will see underneath you will see a button written WPS. So you need to press and hold until you see this light will start blinking, and you will see here in my phone, as you can see, it is showing connected. So click OK, and now you can see my router has been, my Wi-Fi is connected. Now if I want to know the password of the Wi-Fi, now if I want to know the password, what is the password of my Wi-Fi, so you can connect whatever the Wi-Fi is you have. Just simply click on that and you will see here barcode. Now what you need to do, simply take a screenshot, and then you need to go to Google. Now here you can click on this camera button, and then you can simply upload this one. And now you will see here, if you scroll down, you can see the password. So this is how easily you can get the password, and you can connect if you don't know the password. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mom.